Train passengers will have to pay more for their journey starting December 26 after the Railway Ministry announced a marginal hike in ticket fares across select categories. According to officials, ordinary class fares will increase by 1 paise per kilometer for journeys exceeding 215 km, while non-AC classes of mail and express trains and AC classes of all trains will see a hike of 2 paise per kilometer. There will be no charge in suburban train fares or monthly season tickets, and travel up to 215 km in ordinary class will also remain unaffected. In practical terms, a 500 km journey in a non-AC coach will cost about 10 rupees more, railway officials said. The ministry estimates that the fare revision will generate around 600 crore rupees in additional revenue up to March 31, 2026. The previous fare hike in July 2025 had fetched around 700 crore rupees. Officials said the decision was taken against the backdrop of rising operational and manpower costs. Railway manpower expenses have reached 1.15 lakh crore rupees, while pension liabilities stand at 60,000 crore rupees. Total operational expenditure touched 2.63 lakh crore rupees in the 2024-25 financial year. Meanwhile, to manage the festive rush, the railways announced 244 special train trips across 8 zones during Christmas and New Year aimed at easing passenger congestion.